I tell you, the pre-Brancian age civilization, the only civilization still alive, of course, in a very critical stage, beaten, broken, lost even confidence on themselves and their principles, their ancestors, constantly being told that your ancestors are stupid and your ancestors are useless. See, once you take someone's confidence about their heritage and past, he does not have any more future, because he will not try to replicate his knowledge, heritage, past, the glory of the past in future. He will just surrender to you and listen to you and do what you say as the right future. To enslave a civilization and kill a civilization, remove their confidence about their glorious past. Successfully, this poisoning is done to Hindu civilization. It is almost in intensive care unit, emergency care unit. The only good news is it is not dead. I am back to revive. I will not let it die. From year 1 AD to year 1700, Bharat contributed to about 30% of the known world's GDP. For 1700 years, the recorded history, I am talking only from recorded history. If you go prehistory, India only, Bharat only had GDP. The concept of GDP did not exist in any other part of the world. The known world. The known organized civilization was Hindu civilization, most ancient and most continuous. Unfortunately, now even Hindus have started believing Hinduism is functional only for religious and enlightenment purposes. It is dysfunctional for politics or economic or social system or judiciary. Even Hindus are brainwashed. I tell you, oh Hindus, please wake up to the truth. We were, we are, we will be a functional system, legitimate functional system. Not just spiritually, religiously, even economically, judiciary, socially, politically, in every level, without compromising, altering, adulterating. You don't need reformers, you need revivers. Hindus, wake up. Our ancestors are intelligent enough. They were intelligent enough to evolve a system. We don't need reformers, we need revivers. I want this to be today's message. All Kailasians, spread to the whole world. Hindus need to be educated, told, blow the conch, Shankanatha. We need revivers, not reformers. Enough reformers have harmed Hinduism as much as anti-Hindus. We need revivers, not reformers. We need revivers, not reformers. We need revivers, not reformers. Reformers are as dangerous and as destructive, as negative to Hinduism as anti-Hindu elements, anti-Hindus, invaders. Reformers were just disguised invaders. Reformers are the traitors used by invaders to destroy Hinduism. So Hinduism needs revivers, not reformers. We are strong enough, powerful enough principally. The principles, Principal, principles, Principles. The principles of Hinduism only need to be revived, does not need to be reformed. Do the Jayagosha, Sankanada, Tirukkailaya Vadya, and tell the world Hinduism needs revivers, not reformers.